Welcome to the ATTO XstreamCORE unboxing and setup video. The box contents of the XstreamCORE will include the storage controller, an RS-232 cable, an Ethernet cable, 2 L brackets for mounting into a 19-inch rack, and 2 power cables. Please note the serial number printed on the bottom of the XstreamCORE and record it for future reference. Next, we will install the included L brackets for mounting into a standard 19-inch rack. Using the included screws, attach an L bracket to either side of the XstreamCORE. The XstreamCORE is designed to fit into a standard 19-inch rack, utilizing one rack unit of space. Once your XstreamCORE has been mounted into a rack and powered up, we will first need to discover the IP address. Before we begin, please ensure that the XstreamCORE is attached via one of the Ethernet management ports on the back up to a switch. Please contact your IT administrator for permissions if needed, or you may attach the provided RS-232 cable to the serial port at the back of the XstreamCORE if you plan to use a serial program to discover the IP address. To discover the IP using ATTO's QuickNav application on a Windows box, navigate to ATTO.com. Under the Support tab at the top, Downloads, Storage Controllers, and the XstreamCORE 8200. On this page, you will see links to the manual, the QuickNav for Windows, QuickNav for Linux, as well as the latest firmware for your XstreamCORE. Click on QuickNav for Windows, and here we'll be required to either log in with an existing account, or if you don't have an account, create a new one at this time. Once we are logged in, the download will begin. Simply run the application, and the wizard will guide you through how to discover the IP address. Here we will select which host Ethernet port will be used to discover the XstreamCORE. And here we will see which XstreamCOREs have been discovered on the network. You may click the Identify button to illuminate the alert LED on the front of the XstreamCORE. After clicking Next, you will see the confirmed IP address, and clicking Launch Browser will navigate you to the IP address where you will see the ExtremeView Web Management Console. You can also manually set the IP address through the QuickNav application. And after clicking Next, the appliance will need to be rebooted in order to apply the new IP address. To discover the IP address using the serial port, open a program like Teraterm, or in this case PuTTY, and connect the serial port from the back of the XstreamCORE to the host you'd like to connect. Within your serial application, select Serial, set the speed to 115/200, data bits 8, stop bits 1, parity none, and flow control none. After these settings have been set, press Connect, and you will see the CLI of the XstreamCORE. Hit Enter for the ready prompt. Type in the command get space IP address space MP1 to discover the IP address of the first management port. Please refer to the product manual for information on how to set a new IP address via the serial port.